The sun beats down on the Egyptian desert, a reminder of the power of the sun god Ra. In a long-forgotten quarry lies a massive stone monument, a testament to the ingenuity and brutality of ancient Egypt. This is the unfinished obelisk, a massive stone pillar that was meant to stand tall in the city of Aswan, but was left unfinished, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. The air is thick with an eerie silence, as if the stones themselves are whispering secrets of a dark and sinister past. Deep in the heart of the quarry, the sound of chiseling and hammering still echoes, a haunting reminder of the thousands of workers who toiled in the scorching desert sun. The unfinished obelisk lies here, a behemoth of stone, its surface etched with the marks of ancient tools. As we delve deeper into the quarry, we begin to unravel the mystery of the obelisk's construction and the blood sacrifices that were made to the sun god Ra. The stones seem to whisper tales of a long-forgotten era, of pharaohs and priests, of life and death. In ancient Egyptian mythology, Ra was the supreme deity, the god of the sun, creation, and destruction. The pharaohs believed that they were direct descendants of Ra, and that their power was divine. To appease the sun god, they built massive temples and monuments, including the unfinished obelisk. But Ra was a demanding god, and the price of his favor was paid in blood. The priests of Ra would perform dark rituals, sacrificing animals and humans to satiate the god's hunger. The silence is oppressive, as if the gods themselves are watching, waiting for the next sacrifice. The unfinished obelisk was meant to be the largest stone monument in Egypt, a towering pillar that would stand over 137 feet tall. Its construction was a monumental task, requiring thousands of workers, who toiled day and night to extract the stone from the quarry. The work was backbreaking, and the conditions were brutal, but the workers were driven by a singular purpose: to build a monument that would please the sun god Ra. As we explore the quarry, we find evidence of the workers' lives, their tools, their homes, and their graves. The stones seem to hold the memories of a long-forgotten era, of laughter and tears, of life and death. As the construction of the obelisk progressed, the blood sacrifices became more frequent and more brutal. The priests of Ra would select the most beautiful and strongest workers and sacrifice them to the god. The victims would be led to the altar, their hearts still beating, and their blood would be poured onto the stone as an offering to Ra. The rituals were shrouded in secrecy, but the evidence remains, etched on the walls of the quarry and in the whispers of the stones. The air is heavy with the scent of blood and incense, as if the rituals are still being performed in the darkness of the night. The pharaoh who commissioned the unfinished obelisk was a man consumed by his own ambition. He wanted to build a monument that would surpass all others, a testament to his own power and divinity. He drove his workers to the brink of exhaustion and beyond, demanding more and more sacrifices to Ra. The pharaoh's obsession with the obelisk became an all-consuming madness, driving him to commit atrocities that would haunt the quarry for eternity. The stones seemed to whisper tales of a despot who ruled with an iron fist and a heart of stone. As the years passed, the construction of the obelisk slowed, and eventually, it was abandoned. The pharaoh's obsession had turned to madness, and the workers had begun to rebel. The quarry was left to the mercy of the desert, and the unfinished obelisk was forgotten, a relic of a bygone era. But the stones still hold the secrets of the past, and the whispers of the workers who toiled and died in the quarry. The silence is oppressive, as if the gods themselves are waiting for the next chapter in the story of the unfinished obelisk. Today, the unfinished obelisk stands as a testament to the ingenuity and brutality of ancient Egypt. It is a reminder of the blood sacrifices that were made to the sun god Ra, and the thousands of workers who died in the quarry. As we explore the quarry, we are reminded of the transience of human life and the enduring power of the gods. The unfinished obelisk is a monument to the darkness that lies at the heart of human nature, a reminder of the atrocities that we are capable of committing in the name of power and ambition. The stones seem to whisper a warning of the dangers of unchecked power and the importance of remembering the past. The unfinished obelisk remains one of the greatest mysteries of ancient Egypt, a testament to the power of the sun god Ra and the brutality of the pharaohs. As we leave the quarry, we are left with a sense of unease, a feeling that we have only scratched the surface of a dark and sinister secret. The unfinished obelisk stands as a reminder of the blood sacrifices that were made to Ra, and the thousands of workers who died in the quarry. It is a monument to the darkness that lies at the heart of human nature, a reminder of the atrocities that we are capable of committing in the name of power and ambition. The stones seem to whisper a final warning of the dangers of forgetting the past and the importance of remembering the blood sacrifices that were made to the sun god Ra.